Yeah. Sir, you learned acting from Barry John and economics from Hansraj College. But as far as romancing is concerned, where did you learn the art of romancing from?
To be really honest, you don't learn how to romance here. You feel
And
love.
sir, is there any competitor, you in the country?
But I can tell you one thing that I don't know, maybe that has something to do with it. He'll, to his heroine, at least with me, he used to always grab my shoulders and say, "Look into my eyes, look into my eyes." So, yeah, maybe he makes it happen.
I learn it from the eyes of the girls who are working with me. No, but you can't learn romance. You got to feel it. I mean, I did economics very well. I did mass communication rather well and sciences, and I don't know if I've learned acting well.
I still want to see these certificates.
I've got them. They're on the net. I'm very educated. I can walk English. I can talk English. So I feel love. I feel love. I've always said this, and I will say it once again. And in spite of sometimes it being misunderstood, misread, or misconstrued, specifically, when I'm doing a film like this, it is very important for me to understand, feel the warmth from my co-actors. And I think both of them, and I don't want it to become, I'm saying it very properly, because I don't want it to be misconstrued, but both of them are extremely warm, loving, sweet, gentle, and wonderful actors, wonderful actors. It is difficult to love someone who doesn't return that back, even if it's for screen. In real life, of course, but on screen also. So I think both of them know how to return love and are comfortable. They're nice and happy and honest and earnest about it. So I think most of the credit for all the love stories that I've done, I would like to give it to the ladies who work with me. They make me feel in love, always.
And sir, any competitor who can well romance like you in the country, besides you, and you are the best in terms of romancing?
Absolutely. Sir. There's nobody who can romance like me. There's nobody. You can ask all the girls. All around the world, the women know my name. They call me Sexo Man.
Anushka, do you believe that? Do you agree with that statement?
You know what I feel? Like, I judge a hero, how good and how romantic he can be by the way he puts the heroine's hair behind her ears. That's what I think. And and I think that's something that you do really well. You do that, and then I think that's the key to your.
I wouldn't know.
I haven't put your hair back. Not that I remember. Okay, so the eyes of the girl, if you put the hair back and you smell well, that's it. These are the three things you need to be the best romantic hero.
Okay, hi Shahrukh.
शाहरुख सर एक बात कहना चाहूँगा कि हम रहेंगे आपके फैन जब तक है जान.
Thank you.
Okay. Sir, and just one thing I wanted to ask you. Do you have a kind of a pressure on the performance of the film that it should cross 100 crores mark or something like?
Yeah, I've said it even before, and maybe इसे क्या नंबर करके मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अब जब इंशाल्लाह लोगों के बच्चे होंगे, आप सबके जो जवान हैं, मेरे हो चुके हैं, but like I think a time has come. हर चीज़ को नंबर कर दिया यार. तो बच्चों के नाम भी ऐसे होंगे 427,324 खान. अनुष्का का इंशाल्लाह जब बच्चा होगा या बच्ची होगी तो 234,575 शर्मा. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा. कैफ ऐसा नंबर 72 कैफ ऐसा हो जाएगा. I think everything being about numbers and 100 crores. See, when I started off, 5 crore rupees on a weekend was fantastic, and that was considered really big. 10 crore rupees in Mumbai was brilliant, and that was considered. So these numbers are going to keep on increasing or decreasing. Numbers will always remain, and I've always maintained this. When people even ask about stardom, whether they ask Katrina or Anushka or myself, we're not bloody telephones to have numbers. We are actors, and it should be unpredictable, it should be wonderful, it should be felt. People from the outside, I said this in an interview yesterday, when they want to or not understand what the sensibility, and I'm not deriding anyone, please understand this, when you do not understand creativity, because all of us are not creative. I don't think I'm creative at all, but there are some people who are extremely creative, and we don't understand that creation. And the only way we can set a parameter or a measure for it is, ki this painting sold for 5 million, it must be fantastic. I think we reduce the importance and the fact that we don't understand creativity by giving it numbers. But businessmen have to do it. I'm not a businessman. I've never thought of things like this. I have always felt my film should be just enjoyed a lot. I really feel that. I feel sad when people don't enjoy it. I think I've given a part of my life in that film, genuinely, a part of my soul. I sit in my, I closet myself and cry if I haven't made enough people happy. I've been working for 22 years. I've earned enough money, enough numbers, enough awards, and kahin to khatam hoga. So about 5, 7, 10 years ago, it stopped mattering. I notice another daily has come out with a new term. I think they just try to reduce the importance of creativity. We have to feel it. So numbers don't matter that way. Yes, but I can't deny the fact that you're anxious when your film is releasing. Just today, actually, in the morning, when I was getting up, I said, "Yaar, 15 din reh gaye." You're anxious for your baby to come out and hope everybody loves it. That's all. I'm very anxious that my baby is coming out, our baby is coming out in the right sense of the word. And Jab Tak Hai Jaan, the movie, nothing else. And I feel that all of us are very anxious that would you find it pretty? Will it be as beautiful to you as it was while we were making it? Will you enjoy it? Or are you just going to reduce it and say it is 72,453 Khan? That would belittle the importance of the baby.
Hi Shahrukh, Dheeraj from Aaj Tak. My question is, 13 November को दिवाली वाले दिन Son of Sardar भी रिलीज हो रही है. One, what do you think about कि 2 big budget films का एक साथ रिलीज होना? And 2, कुछ इंडस्ट्री के लोग चाहते हैं कि यश जी की याद में इस जब तक है जान को सोलो रिलीज किया जाए. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
One, I don't know which industry people you have spoken to, किन लोगों से आपने बात की है. But I think we all discussed this, Katrina, Anushka, myself, Adi. I think it's unfair to ask anyone of anything. Everybody loves their films. Everybody loves their films with the same importance that each one of us do. And I think it's absolutely all right for films to release. And if business is the parameter, inshallah, it'll do well for all of us. We don't have any comment on this in terms of aisa hona chahiye ya nahi hona chahiye. I think it's just very unfair to ask anyone to change the release of a film for X reason, however wonderful the reason is. And I think, take this moment to even say, yes, Ji would have felt the same. कि यार उनकी पिक्चर, you know what he would have said exactly if I know him well enough, कि यार भगवान करे उनकी पिक्चर भी बहुत चले यार, हमारी भी आ रही है यार, मजा आएगा यार. And so he'll feel it like that. I think we feel it like that. And a lot of films release on the same day, and a lot of films, and inshallah all films should do well. I really don't have any comment on that. Yeah, having said that, if it can sometimes in business aspects, whenever big films are releasing, I don't know, you've already made ours also a big budget. मुझे बजट नहीं मालूम है फिल्म का, तुम्हें मालूम है यार. And but important, all films are important. There's nothing like a big budget or a small film. 200 films are important, and 200 films, I think 54 or 56 Fridays, they are going to overlap. It's undeniable. It's difficult to find those empty Fridays or free Fridays. So if you can change it sometimes, it's happened before. If it's convenient, people do it. When it's not, I think it's unfair to expect anyone to change their films because it's made with equal love.
And also, मिस यश चोपड़ा की जो फिल्म्स होती थी उनमें एक्ट्रेसेस की ब्यूटी और ज्यादा लगती थी. क्या आप मानते हैं कि इस फिल्म में कटरीना और अनुष्का अपनी बाकी फिल्म से और ज्यादा खूबसूरत लग रही हैं?
Now, if he says no, he's going to be in big trouble.
कैसा सवाल पूछ रहा है तू यार? बीच में बैठा हुआ हूँ मैं, बोल नहीं यार, बड़ी भद्दी लग रही है और ये तो बड़ी ही बेकार लग रही है यार. उस पिक्चर में बड़ी अच्छी लगी थी यार. बैंड बाजा बारात में कमाल, हमारी पिक्चर में ऐसे दोनों मार खाऊंगा यार. No, I think they're just beautiful यार. Every film, there's a growth. I think दोनों बहुत खूबसूरत है माशाल्लाह. मैं भी खूबसूरत हूँ. मेरी कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा खूबसूरती की यार. तुम टैलेंट में करके ना बर्बाद कर रहे हो मुझको. दोनों बहुत खूबसूरत हैं यार. I think they're very beautiful. Whenever I've seen their films, Band Baja and Rabne, and there was one more in which you were in Vegas. Badmaash Company. मुझे बहुत खूबसूरत लगी है. मैंने कटरीना को सिंग इज किंग में देखा हुआ है. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा पूरी फिल्म देखी थी. और another couple of films that I've seen.
What were their names?
See, I think a rose by any other name would smell just as sweet. So what's in a name, darling? It doesn't make a difference. कोई भी. आप जिस पिक्चर का नाम मुझे नहीं मालूम, उसमें भी 4 पिक्चर देखी मैंने बेनाम कटरीना की. उसमें बड़ी खूबसूरत थी. But they look beautiful. They're beautiful girls. I think, between the two of them, I've had the most beauty surrounding me.
Can I just add something to that? I think it's not really about the physical beauty so much. No, I mean, I think it's also the way he presents his female characters that are very strong, and there's like a little softness to them. That adds to the beauty. I think that's the way he presents his.
That day, SG said actually that after nature, the most beautiful thing God has created is a woman, and he really believed that. Their experience would be, for 20 years, I've noticed this one thing. हर लोग जो हैं, जैसे अभी उन्होंने बोला, white साड़ी, Switzerland, lakes, I think those didn't make his girls beautiful. I think just the fact that he could go and make her feel beautiful by the way she was working or being with him, by the way he would just stand with her and chat with her, he made every woman feel very wanted, desired, and loved. And on top of that, which even Pam Auntie told me, respect. He used to respect them. I think that's why they look beautiful. So if you're asking me, is there any other movie that a heroine has looked better than? Then I would say universally no. Nobody can look more beautiful than they looked in a Yash Chopra film, because he showed an immense amount of respect for the characters in the film, and that I think came through the physicality that you saw.
Shahrukh?
शाहरुख से कब पूछा था?
मुझसे मैं अकेले मिलता है रात को आगे अपना टांगा भिड़ा हुआ है, थोड़ा सा फोन करेगा, भाई आ जाओ रात के 12 बजे What are the 3 things you'd like to do? आप कौन सी वो 3 चीजें करना चाहेंगी जब तक है जान? मतलब that's like the most important 3 things. बहुत प्रेशर हो गया ना?
Answer this question at the end of the conference. I'll think about it till then.
सोचने का वक्त चाहिए दोनों को. जब रात को तू मेरे पास आएगा ना, तो मैं इनको भी बुला लेता हूँ फिर बात.
शाहरुख, आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगी कि आपकी फिल्म का प्रमोशन मार्केटिंग की बात करें तो हमेशा यूनिक होता है, कुछ ना कुछ नया देखने को मिलता है. इस फिल्म की प्रमोशन मार्केटिंग कैसी होगी?
यही है, 3 बेइंतहा खूबसूरत लोग आपके सामने. ओके, इस फिल्म की प्रमोशन की डील ये थी जो अभी तक नहीं हुई है कि मैं इन प्रमोशन में बिल्कुल बात नहीं करूंगा, कटरीना जी करेंगी. प्लीज आंसर नाउ.
या कटरीना?
How is it going to be different from the other films?
That's the new thing. Shahrukh sir will be the prop, and me and Anushka will be doing the talking. I think that will make for very interesting viewing, personally.
शाहरुख,
We'll objectify him.
शाहरुख,
अभी तक कटरीना और अनुष्का ने आपकी तारीफ की है. आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कटरीना में आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है और अनुष्का में. स्टार्ट विद अनुष्का या कटरीना, आप जिससे चाहें.
Oh, I thought you were going to say start from the bottom.
आप जो चाहें शाहरुख.
मैं दोनों को कहता हूँ, दोनों के पैर बहुत खूबसूरत हैं, इन्हें जमीन पे मत रखिएगा. हाथ पे चल के मेरे पास आया करो.
Grudge.